How's it going, everyone? My name is Ryan with Iowa Classic Cars. I'm here with Marshall. Dave is talking.
What he does best.
What he does best, absolutely. We're here in a forgotten Iowa junkyard. A lot of Tri-5s, a lot of old Chevys in general. This will probably be a two-part video. Story is the guy that owned this property just kind of hoarded these cars, sold them to my buddy who purchased the entire lot of the cars, not the land, just the lot of the cars themselves. And the old boy passed away. His wife is still out here, so they've got to get all these cars moved. Gold 63 Impala, two-door hardtop. Sitting next to a heavy Chevy, 57 Chevy. This car isn't too bad. Same with this 63 right next to it. Has a back seat but no front seat, or no front seats. (1961) Parkwood wagon with a little bit of weight reduction. What is this, a DeSoto Fire Dome? Early 50s, mid 50s. Hell, I don't know. There is some new stuff mixed in, but a lot of it is just old. Another 63 Impala. Two-door hardtop. Old Ford wagon. It's something heavy. Here's a 56 two-door sedan. Really isn't terrible. It's obviously missing a ton of stuff. But really not that rusty. Here's trunk lid for it. I believe it's trunk lid for it. No seats or interior. Here's a neat early 30s, late 20s Chevrolet two-door sedan. Been here a while. Another Tri-5 two-door. So I'm buying a 59 Impala flat top, and I was sitting right here. You can see there's one coil spring that I got left behind, as well as a nice eyebrow molding. So I'll come back to that stuff in a second. This is a cool truck. Old Dodge, two-tone, blue and white, or turquoise and white. A lot of people showed interest in the Imperials on Matt's video. 4-door hardtop Chrysler Imperial right here. Man, these are cool cars. Here's a 2-door post. Couple 2-door posts. Seats are still in this one. The floor is kind of out of it. Sitting next to a 55 wagon, Chevy wagon. This red one? Yeah. 60 Pontiac. 2-door hardtop. That's a Bonneville.
67 Cadillac right there, 2-door. 7 or 8.
This white one? Let's see. Nope. Manual seat. Pretty picked over, but it does have that really cool Bonneville speaker grill in the back. (1967) or 8 Cadillac, 2-door coupe. Here's a 62 Impala, 2-door hardtop. She's seen better days. It's all picked apart. Suburban custom wagon. Very unusual. You don't see them as much as you do the Chevrolets and the GMs of the same era. (1957) Chevy. I want to say this is a Cutlass or something like that, 74 or 5. Here's the back end, that Cadillac. Old Dodge, what is this, Fury? Or no, that's a Plymouth Fury. Oh, Dodge Polara.
Like a 67 or 8 Mustangs.
Yeah.
Chilling. Old Super 88. 58, yo.
58 olds.
I think.
First gen Mustang with a tree growing up to the engine bay. I know a lot of you Ford guys will get a kick over that. Another 2-door sedan. Mustang with a Trio 2. That's my car joke for the day. (1958) Buick Special, two-tone, K Coral, or whatever the color was called. That was pink with a white top. Interior is still in this one. Floors are partially out of it. Really cool car though. Rambler station wagon. Another very unique one. You don't really see too many of. There's two Ramblers sitting right next to each other, both with roof racks. What year, Marsh?
I don't know, late 70s.
Now these are good for derby cars, right? In the modern era.
I think.
This one was wrecking before wrecking was cool, right?
Driver's door shot. That probably felt terrific.
Ford Fairlane 500 station wagon.
These things always have a cool look to them.
Yeah, it's got a killer patina to it as well. 1960 Bel Air four-door sedan. Motor's still in it. Marsh, you want to hold this for a second? I'm gonna see if the motor's not stuck in this one. Oh, just kidding, he won't. Probably not. Just kidding. That was fun. This is a Dodge Coronet right here.
I think so. I think it's a Coronet on it.
Four-door sedan. '61 Olds Dynamic 88 wagon. I mean, this is a killer car. Factory air. Man, that's a really neat one. '57 Chevy. Gold '63 Bel Air, another four-door sedan, but this one appears to be all complete and not terribly rusty. Is it? We have a custom '62 convertible here, factory four-door, one of one. Not much left of this old girl. Like a '74 5 Grand Prix with a block heater. '62 Impala four-door sedan, sitting next to a '62 Impala four-door hardtop. And this one's had some creatures living in it. Pair of 64s, 4-door and a wagon. Another 64, 4-door sedan. Okay. Marshall's impressed with the Dodge Omnis.
Oh, it's like the 4th one I've seen.
Good place for them.
Yeah, pretty much.
And then
For the Cub Cadet tractor on top of that.
yeah, we got a whole lawnmower on top of a 62. That's something else. Old derby car. Vintage derby car. Some more Corvairs back here. And this gem, which I've never even seen a car like this before. No idea what it is, what year or anything. It's very absurd though. Alright everyone, that'll wrap it up for part 1 of this video. We're just going to call this place the Hoard. Expect part 2 next week. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to leave a like rating, subscribe if you're new, and comment your favorite vehicle in the bunch or the rarest vehicle in the bunch. And stay tuned. Thank you guys for watching. My name is Ryan with Iowa Classic Cars, and I'll catch you next time.